Attention Kia Stinger and Genesis G70 owners, Velossa Tech just changed the game, introducing the new 76mm king-size throttle body and patent-pending tapered port-matched multi-plate adapter system for the 3.3 turbo platform. This isn't just a bigger throttle body bolted onto your engine. Velossa Tech spent months engineering a complete airflow solution designed to maximize performance while maintaining smooth airflow into the intake manifold. The factory throttle body may be rated at 68mm, but the throttle blade and shaft create a restriction that reduces effective airflow. Simply installing a larger throttle body creates another problem: abrupt transitions in the airflow path that generate turbulence and rob power. That's where the Velossa Tech adapter system comes in. The tapered, port-matched design creates a smooth transition from the 76mm throttle body into the intake manifold, helping maintain airflow velocity while reducing turbulence. Precision CNC machined from 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum, the adapter plates featured integrated 1/8-inch NPT ports for nitrous, methanol injection, or future expansions. Best of all, no retune is required. On a stock-tuned vehicle with a factory intercooler and exhaust, testing showed gains of up to 10 horsepower at the wheels. Modified vehicles with upgraded induction systems may see even greater results. The complete bolt-on kit includes a 76mm king-size throttle body, port-matched adapter plates, custom silicone couplers, hardware, and everything needed for installation. The system is also compatible with most popular aftermarket intercooler setups, including Wagner, BMS, IMR, Ultimate Performance, and many other 3-inch intercooler systems using our custom silicone adapters. More airflow, better throttle response, real engineering. This is the king-size throttle body system from Velossa Tech.